Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Hanalogs. Today I want to quickly share with you an important update which I recently discovered regarding Tawakkalna app. So stay tuned. Okay, so this update is about two important features in the Tawakkalna app. The health condition card. This one helps to show your current health status when you don't have internet access outside your home. The second one is the caution mode. This one helps you to get notified about any suspected or confirmed COVID case in your vicinity whenever you're in a public place, be it your workplace, malls, parks, hospitals, any place really. Please make sure to watch the video till the end to know more. To access the dependent's health condition card, log in to the sponsor's Tawakkalna account. Here you see a black screen. Due to the security feature in the app, it does not allow us to record home screen. So select services at the bottom of the home page. Here under services you will find dependent services, where you will find an option called the health condition card. Now, which by the way is also available as a shortcut on the home screen. This is just FYI. By selecting this option, we find the list of dependents with their respective HCC links. Here you will find all the dependents' health details with the QR code. On the top right, we will see an icon that enables us to share the card via WhatsApp, Bluetooth, etc. So in case a dependent does not have net access in a public place, I recommend they save their health condition cards into their phones by getting it sent from the sponsor's account before leaving their home. It's just a matter of convenience really. Now moving on to the next feature, the caution mode. Like I've already mentioned, this critical feature can be found under health services on the services page. This feature requires you to keep the Bluetooth on your device. So select the caution mode and hit activate. This will immediately warn you if there is any suspected or confirmed COVID case around you when you are outside. So guys, please do avail this feature to save yourself and your loved ones during this pandemic. I really hope this helped. Please share it with as many people as you can to help them keep safe too. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, I hope you stay safe. Bye.